Well, Julie, this past weekend, the problems were largely coming out of the state of Florida because there was severe weather there early Saturday morning. And of course, a lot of Minnesotans were down there starting their spring breaks, coming back, and a lot of them were having a lot of trouble getting home here to the Twin Cities. This is unfortunately something that you're just going to have to be prepared for during these next couple of busy weeks as airline demand continues to soar.
All right, let's go, ladies. I know we spent a lot of time together, but spread it out.
Alicia Dumonceau must keep the focus.
Let's get that straight up.
Her University of Northwestern softball team just got back to the Twin Cities after a 7-game swing in Florida.
Ground drive? Yes. Good.
Turned into a travel fiasco.
I still feel like I'm in a whirlwind.
First, severe weather canceled the team's Sun Country flight out of Orlando on Saturday.
Almost all flights were grounded at some point, so it really left your options pretty slim.
Then, after 15 hours at the airport, the team couldn't book trips home until Tuesday.
We also met people at our hotel that had been stranded. There were a lot of people that had been grounded that night that were still waiting to get out.
Pay attention to the Eagles story if you're heading somewhere on spring break.
Here we go.
Hope for the best, but prepare for the worst.
Kyle Potter of Thrifty Travelers says besides those unknowns like weather, airlines still haven't caught up to demand after shrinking their staffs early in the pandemic.
Airlines don't have the same kind of slack that they used to have to pick things up when a bad storm knocks their operation on a whack.
In the U.S., know that you can always ask for your money back after a canceled flight.
You do have the legal right to a refund.
Here we go. Go.
But in the University of Northwestern's case,
We learned that this week.
Alicia Dumonceau's softball team had to wait things out in Florida for 3 days.
I think it showed us as a team that if we stick together, keep a positive mindset, and lean on each other for encouragement, that we can get through anything on and off the field.
The Eagles even scored a trip to SeaWorld through a connection with the state of Florida.
It'll be an experience they'll never forget, and hopefully we don't have to do it again. Now, a lot of airlines were having issues with those big storms down in Florida, but the Eagles softball team, they were on Sun Country. We reached out to that airline, and they told us that it really was just a ripple effect because a lot of times the crews are timing out, meaning they have to take mandated rest periods. You have delays and cancellations, and it just throws everything really just out of whack. Julie.
Yeah, we heard from a lot of people upset with Sun Country because they had the same issue, and then they incurred costs of hotel and extra food. And people were saying, and Sun Country's not reimbursing us, but that is not their responsibility, correct?
Right. This is interesting, and a lot of people don't know the rules on this. There's really no legal requirement for an airline to reimburse you for a hotel or a meal or the time that you're spending when you couldn't get back on your flight. Of course, airlines can do that voluntarily. You should always ask to see if that's a possibility, but they're not legally required.
All right. Thanks so much, Danny.